Hey guys, it's Godzilla Movie Productions, and I'm doing a review on Godzilla. Godzilla, one of the early ones. He's he's probably the fourth or third. Huh, that's funny. I didn't introduce myself completely. Well, it's me. Godzilla Movie Productions. And I'm doing a review on Godzilla. This Godzilla, I came in a pack with. This is a pack from Godzilla and Titanosaurus. I got both of them from one pack, so it was like one of those things. So as you can see, he has like green on his head, a little bit of green, and scales, those scales. And he has crystal back thing. Well, maybe these are the scales, but I think these are. Well, you decide. So you have his tail. I like this toy. This is one of my favorites. He's a good size. He's 6 inches tall, I think. Yeah, I think he is. This is his foot, made in China, of course. Right. Probably can't see it. Sorry, it's a little dark. Nighttime here in Japan. Other foot. Arms go up and down. They go all the way. Like so. Legs too. Head all the way. Yep. So that's Godzilla. He is very cool. Not much from this video, but I started doing some reviews on toys. My first one, of course, you have to start with Godzilla. The best. And I got some updates. I just ordered on eBay 2 figures, Anguirus, the old figure, and Gigan, the old figure. So they should be coming soon. You'll see them in my second movie. That's why it didn't come out last weekend. I was planning on doing it that weekend, but I was thinking of ordering them, but yeah. So I just did. Ordered them about 2 days ago. They should come today, but since it's like partly holiday, they might come late, but it's okay, because I don't really have any time to do it now. Oh yeah, his mouth, really detailed. Do that. And he has some more green on his stomach, legs. His feet, black, 3 toes. And so that's it. Those are the updates, and this is the first review of Godzilla Movie Productions. So I hope you enjoyed this. You should try and get this. This is not only in that pack, but I'm sure it's someplace else, like maybe eBay. eBay's the best to find toys and some other stuff. So keep a lookout for this if you really want old. Not really selling them anymore. So the internet has everything you need. So that's movie toy review, and check back for more movies. So bye. Hope you enjoyed this. Keep a lookout for more movies. Bye bye.